In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix it if you can't move an element in Canva. If you've ever tried to drag an image, a text box, or a graphic in Canva and nothing happens, it can be really frustrating. The good news is that this usually means the element, or even the entire page, is locked. When something is locked in Canva, it can't be moved, resized, or edited until you unlock it. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly what to check and what to click so you can quickly get back to designing. First, take a look at the top of your Canva editor, just above your current page. You should see a small icon that looks like a lock with a little pencil or edit symbol on it. This is the page lock control. When the page is locked, Canva prevents you from moving anything on that page, which can make it seem like a specific element is broken, when in reality the whole page is just locked. Go ahead and click on that lock with pencil icon. When you click it, you're telling Canva that you want to change the page's lock status. If the page was locked before, clicking this should unlock it. Once it's unlocked, you should be able to select and move elements normally. After you've unlocked the page, try clicking on the element you are having trouble with. Click directly on it once to select it. Now look for a small lock icon that might appear either on the element's toolbar or near the element itself. Sometimes, even if the page is unlocked, an individual element can still be locked on its own. If you see that the element is locked, click on the unlock option for that specific element. Once you do that, the lock should turn off, and you will be able to drag the element around, resize it, or edit it as usual. At this point, try moving the element again by clicking and dragging it to a new spot on your design. If it moves freely, you've fixed the problem. If it still doesn't move, double check that both the page lock icon at the top and the lock on the element itself are turned off. That's all there is to it. By unlocking the page first and then unlocking the element, you can quickly solve the issue of not being able to move something in Canva and continue working on your design smoothly.